Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best indoor gardens that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Gardyn 3.0 Hydroponics Growing System and Vertical Garden Planter. If the image of a lush indoor garden brimming with fragrant herbs puts you in the mood to start cooking some delicious homemade meals, the Gardyn 3.0 Hydroponic Growing System might be a winner. This advanced garden system was thoughtfully designed to grow up to 30 large plants within only 2 square feet of space while using 95% less water than other systems. Plug-and-play light bars and columns make it fairly easy to assemble, no screws, tools, or water line needed. We also love that this indoor garden system comes with a generous collection of preloaded gourmet seed pods for harvesting salad and cooking greens, including arugula, kale, Swiss chard, basil, thyme, and mint. This system can also grow vegetables like cherry tomatoes and sweet peppers. You'll be able to pair your hydroponic indoor garden with an app, which uses the system's app, which uses artificial intelligence to help you look after your garden. Since the garden has multiple sensors to monitor the temperature, humidity, and water level, it can give you personalized recommendations based on the plant's current conditions. This is a major benefit for beginner gardeners, since it eliminates guesswork when caring for your plants. Moving on at number 4, we have the Rise Gardens Personal Garden. Experiment with different herbs in the kitchen thanks to the Rise Gardens Personal Garden and Growing Kit, which is the best indoor garden for herbs. This hydroponic device allows you to grow a variety of fresh herbs and crisp greens without the challenges of outdoor gardening. You also won't have to deal with bugs, weather, or pesticides. This indoor garden features a custom 30-watt LED light panel that mimics the sun, providing ideal levels of broad-spectrum light that most herbs need to thrive. This means your plants will get all the benefits of natural sunlight without the risk of overexposure to harsh rays. And, measuring just 18 inches in height, this indoor garden can sit right on the kitchen countertop without taking up tons of space. For those without the gift of a green thumb, this indoor garden comes with a convenient companion app that controls self-watering and light functions. When your garden needs tending, the app will let you know, so there's never any second-guessing or accidental over- or underwatering. The included starter kit brings everything you need for 6 weeks of garden nutrients, as well as a collection of gourmet seed pods that are a foodie's dream, including super sweet Genovese basil, common sage, forest green parsley, and Santo cilantro. You also get a salad mix 4-pack that includes bronze arrowhead lettuce, Paris Island cuz lettuce, astro arugula, and red streaked Mizuna mustard. At number 3, we have the Click and Grow Indoor Herb Garden. If you're extremely tight on space or simply intimidated by the thought of maintaining any type of plant, consider this pick from Click and Grow. At less than 5 inches wide, it's the smallest option on our list and will fit seamlessly in even the tightest kitchen. It's also extremely easy to use when it comes to setting up. Think of a capsule coffee machine, but for plants. Simply load the pods, plug in the unit, and add water. This tiny smart garden will do the rest. This indoor garden may be small, but it features energy-efficient LED grow lights that rival larger models, making sure your plants thrive regardless of the weather outside. There's room for 3 plant pods, so newbies can start with a few basic herbs to build their gardening confidence. Once you're ready to explore other plant varieties, the Click and Grow Indoor Herb Garden Kit offers a wide assortment of seedling pods, including cilantro, basil, lavender, and thyme. Because of its size, this indoor garden isn't as useful for growing vegetables. Once you're ready to expand your indoor plant collection, you may want to look into a larger model for harvesting things like tomatoes, peppers, and other veggies. At number 2, we have the Modern Sprout Smart Growhouse. Growing plants and herbs inside your home doesn't have to mean compromising on your interior design style. The Modern Sprout Smart Growhouse features a sleek, brass-plated stainless steel design that beautifully displays your favorite kitchen herbs, leafy greens, and flower varieties. Measuring less than 6 inches wide, this stylish indoor garden easily fits onto most kitchen countertops, so you won't have to sacrifice valuable counter space. The kit even comes with hanging hardware, giving you more options to display your beautiful greenery throughout the home. Plus, you can even use this indoor garden as a planter for your succulents. Like other indoor gardens on our list, this pick features full-spectrum LED lighting to support seed starting, vegetable growth, and flowering. The lights run at low temperatures, which reduces the risk of burning your plants as they grow. You'll also get access to a convenient companion app that allows you to create customized lighting schedules including partial shade, partial sun, and full sun options for your different plants. For all its helpful features, this indoor garden doesn't include a self-watering feature, so you'll want to stay on top of its maintenance to ensure your plants thrive. And finally at number 1, we have the TorchStar LED Indoor Herb Garden. Where there are many benefits to hydroponic indoor gardens, soil is more natural for plants. It's also gentler and produces slower results, which could be a benefit for anyone who doesn't want to tend to a rapidly growing indoor garden. The TorchStar LED Indoor Herb Garden provides many of the same benefits as indoor hydroponic gardens while also giving you the option to grow your plants in natural soil. The full-spectrum LED lamp closely matches sunlight to better promote plant growth, making it great for cultivating flowers, herbs, and succulents anywhere in your home. There's also an automatic timer that keeps the lights on for 16 hours at a time before turning off for 8 hours, mimicking sunrise and sunset to help promote the plant's natural growth rhythms. Keep in mind that this indoor garden doesn't have self-watering features, so you'll need to monitor the soil and stay on top of routine watering. Plants and seedlings are also sold separately, so plan to purchase these or have them on hand if you want to buy the TorchStar LED Indoor Herb Garden. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.